What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I like to introduce you to the Alfa Romeo Tonale Edizione Bambini. Yes, the children's edition is here for families. Alfa Romeo has revealed a unique new version of the Tonale, which it claims is the perfect Alfa Romeo for parents of young children. It's called the Alfa Romeo Edizione Bambini, and this transforms the Alfa Romeo car into a four-wheel changing room, a playroom, and much more. Now, among the new features is a removable changing table, which is located in the trunk. Opening the tailgate reveals the modified cargo area with a custom-made luggage rack from which the changing table slides out. Now, the padded mat is covered in easy-to-clean synthetic leather, and the size and positioning of the changing table mean that the Tonale's 500-liter boot capacity remains unchanged. Now, furthermore, additions to the Alfa Romeo Edizione Bambini include seat covers shaped to fit the backrest of the driver and front passenger seats. Orders include a drink holder, a box to hold snacks, and a pen holder. Now, the edgings are made of gray leather with the Alfa Romeo logo in relief to match the standard upholstery of the Tonale. Space for a couple of good behavior charts has been built inside of the two large carry pockets, while the extra padding and protective panels ensure some kick resistance. Now, Alfa Romeo says that research shows that children kick the back of the seat in front of them 3.5 times per trip. Now, for parents, the Alfa Romeo Edizione Bambini incorporates a monitoring system that can be connected to smartphones to ensure visibility of what is happening in the rear seats at all times. And similarly, for bored kids, connectivity features include tablet holders in the seat backs and central toy box. Now, the Tonale Bambini edition comes with a new 6-liter bin fixed to the rear footwell at the rear of the center console. For any additional cleaning needs, a small car vacuum cleaner with a 12-volt charging cable is located in the trunk, and a trunk organizer houses a range of cleaning supplies. Now, Alfa Romeo has not indicated if and when this version of SUV will go into production, but I guess it's needed. I mean, hey, we're looking out for the families, right? So you have the Bambini. With that said, what do you guys think about the children's edition of the new Alfa Romeo Tonale? Drop those comments down below if you have a family and think this is very helpful. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up the rankings, more people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the new Alfa Romeo Tonale Edizione Bambini. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and check out the social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Well, click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.